Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In this video, we are going to draw Bingo in the toilet. Let's draw Bingo. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. I draw the shape of her head. I draw her arms. Then I draw her legs and her tail. Finally, I draw his patches around his body. Amazing! She's a little quieter than Bluey. She is sitting patiently. Now let's draw toilet paper on a hanger on the wall. Finally, I draw the bathroom very quickly. Superb! Let's make it more lovely with this black marker. Let's color Bingo. I use this brown marker around her eyes and also for her ears. I'm going to use cream around the nose and also on his eyebrows. Black for nose. Red. Finally, I use this light brown marker. Same for her tail. And light skin color for her hands, patches, and also for her foot and tail. For the bath, I use mint. Red. I use blue for the back wall of the bathroom. I use yellow for the side walls. And brown for the floor. So cool! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!